Yes, that absolutely says Mikehell, and I'm gonna keep it that way. Um, so go with this. Get it as fast as you can. When you have 3 days in a row, you cannot get any faster. That's when it's time to send me your video demonstration of stuff. So I want you to do it at the slowest speed of 60, and then maybe go up by 20s until you get to like maybe 20 minutes or 20 minutes, 20 beats per minute slower than the max. So let's say you wind up at like maybe 170. Maybe that's the max. So we'll do like 60, then like 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, and wait, sorry, no, 140 and then 150. That'd be okay. If you want to try and go a little bit faster for the video, that's fine. So yeah, this is going to be short, and this is how it's going to be for this a lot of this stuff, because the idea is pushing speed. We want to think of it in terms of sprinting, which is going to be talked about in the ebook I sent you. And I also liken it to 1 rep max type stuff. So basically, you just go all out, this big burst of energy, and you can't do it for a very long time. So doing short things like this is very helpful in just pushing max speed. Endurance stuff, we'll get to that eventually, but right now we're just going to push the max speed. So starting with the right hand for the most part, left hand is a little bit to help your right hand know where it's at in terms of when it gets faster, faster, faster. So I'm going to demonstrate some various speeds so you can come back and check this, or like play along when you reach these speeds, just to make sure that everything sounds the same. So 60 beats a minute, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please make fun of me for that. I cannot believe I just did that. 1, 2, 3. Good God. I didn't feel like starting the video over and saying all that shit again. Double time, 120. And yes, as the ebook is going to tell you, go up by 5 beats per minute. Every time you get it right, just one time, go up by 5. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. You may notice that your picking technique changes throughout different speeds. That's okay. Try not to force any particular type of picking. Let your body naturally adapt to the various speeds. So this way, let's put it this way. My slow picking speed is with the thumb. My jogging picking speed, more wrist. My sprint speed is with my arm. So we all have different like walking and jogging and sprint speeds with our picking, and the mechanics that we use will vary person to person. So as long as it sounds good, that's all that really matters. Just focus on that. Let your hand and your arm do what it wants in order to achieve the speed you're trying to get, and if it sounds correct, then just go with that, because how I pick is going to be different than other people and whatnot. So it's important to just kind of let your body do what it needs to do naturally. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 220. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more at 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you'd like any other demo speeds, let me know. I'm going to send you both the Guitar Pro file and the PDF. Highly recommend you get Guitar Pro. Not only is it the thing to write, transcribe stuff, and it's usually what most people use anyway for, finding guitar tabs and whatnot, but being able to play along with the MIDI track is extremely helpful for a lot of things. So definitely recommend it. If any questions come up, let me know. And perhaps I'll see you online next week for that beer session.